They don't really rap though. I kill it when I'm turn up and I kill it when I'm natural. I be chillin' butt naked in the castle. And bitch, I'm about to blow like a birthday candle. Boss bae, all day. And it's fuck what a hater gotta say. Boss bae, all day. Pretty brown.
What's up, YouTube? I told y'all I was coming back to do my hair. We're gonna get this hair together, baby, because I've been walking around here looking like Miss Seeley for a minute now. So I am gonna silk press my hair out, and I'm gonna try using a regular curling iron for the first time. Yikes, I don't know, I don't have a flip of the wrist, okay? So bear with me. But I have been natural for about 5 years now. I did my big chop 5 years ago. I was bald head, okay, real bald head. I'll probably put a clip of my progress in the video, okay? Yeah, y'all thought I was lying. I was real bald head. But with the help of my glow products and just like wearing my wigs and just leaving my hair alone, I was able to grow my hair out really nicely. So this is the only product that I use on my hair for my silk press, because my hair does get a lot greasy and I don't like to put a lot of products on it to weigh it down. So let's get into this hair, honey. Alrighty, so let's begin with taking my Seeley braids down. Woo child, I had them in for a couple of days and then I combed them on out. And this time, since my hair is fully dried, I will not be blow drying it. I just feel like that would be just ridiculous. But look at that fro, baby. If I was in the 70s, you couldn't tell me nothing. I had the biggest fro around. I promise you that. I promise you that. But since I'm not blow drying my hair, I am going to go through with the hot comb just so I can get the roots. Because, you know, you got to make sure you get the roots. I want my roots to be puffy. I want a real silk press. Okay? Like I just came from Minas. Like I just came from the Dominicans. Okay? We're not playing around. We're not playing around. So, this is me taking the hot comb so I can get up in the roots. And y'all, I'm taking my Baby Bliss flat iron that I got from Ross, baby. It was a steal, $60, okay? I think it was one of the original Baby Bliss, okay? But that's all right with me because it silked my hair out just fine, you know? So we just taking it and running through. I think I only did like 1 or 2 passes on my hair. And baby, look at that. Look at that shine. Look at that. And I do not have any products on my hair. That's why I don't put products on my hair like that, because my hair is naturally oily. So, ooh, baby, look at that silk out. You can't tell me nothing. And so, y'all, I know this is my first time using a curling iron. So, I tried, but I think I did it. I did that. I got the hang of it. So, one of my followers on TikTok just told me to curl up and clamp. Curl up and clamp. And I got the hang of it. And it came out real nicely. But, y'all, I was so mad some of my clips didn't record, so I didn't get the comb out of my curls, but it still came out beautifully, baby. You can't tell me nothing. I know how to curl with a real curling iron now, baby. Yeah. And this is an iron curling iron. I don't know the inch, so, but everything that I'm using below will be in the description, so look at the description, okay? But look at that, baby. You can't tell me. Ooh, wee. That girl hair is healthy, shining, thick, full. Yeah, you can't tell me I ain't just came from the salon. You can't tell me that. You cannot tell me that one. Look at that body, yaddy, 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 yaddy. Yeah, but this was me doing my hair. Bye. Make sure you like and subscribe.
They rap, they don't really rap though. I kill it when I'm turn up and I kill it when I'm natural. I be chillin' butt naked in the castle. And bitch, I'm about to blow like a birthday candle. Boss bae, all day. And it's fuck what a hater gotta say. Boss bae, all day.